And you?
You are from my neighbor state. I am from Odisha.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা রাইট রাইট
তুমি কেমন আছো?
ভালো আছি ভালো আছি
Okay. তুমি
So,
are you a student or are you working?
I'm a working professional working in a railway project.
Wow, you are working railway department means central government job, right?
No. Actually, I'm working for a company which does railway state railway project for the government.
Okay, okay. How long have
We do new project actually. We do new projects and we go back to again another new project.
Okay, I got your point. Where you are working, your job is a movable job. If you finish your product, then you miss go to different place and different project, right?
Yeah. Like LNT, LNT National Target Group.
Of course,
So,
I heard about LNT. Yeah, that is a famous. Uh-huh.
like there is an organization KC International, which is RPG Group. So
Okay.
both KC and LNT, both KC and LNT does this job only, like railway projects job.
Okay, okay. Because L&T is taking that kind of project and he directly takes this kind of work from government, right? And
Uh, yeah, actually, we can finish the project faster than the government. No? We have employees, we have engineers,
right,
but railway directly do not have that much expertise and they are just for maintenance purpose.
right, right. I got your point. You are working in L&T department, right? Through Miss
Yeah.
railway project. Okay, that good. I think are you born and brought up in West Bengal or are you from different state in India?
No, I am born and brought up in West Bengal.
Okay, you are born and brought up in West Bengal and you are working in West Bengal as well, right?
No, I am working in Agra.
Okay, right now you are working in Agra, right? Okay, right now your project is going on there.
Yes, my project is from Agra to Gwalior.
Okay, Agra to Gwalior. Right. What type means you expand the railway means road or that kind of?
There are two tracks already, but one new track is being inaugurated.
Okay.
So for electrical purpose, we are working there.
Okay.
So we just want to step up the voltage. Now, from now, from that line, the voltage and speed will be more.
Okay, I got your point
So,
because you are doing a new track of the railway. Or second thing, your project doing in a repairment also repairing in railway track or something, or that is a new.
just to like the older line, like in West Bengal or Odisha, there are a lot of places where the lines are from 1947.
Right.
So sometimes we get projects from that older lines to
Okay.
new.
Okay, I got your point because means old project you means modify that project is through new, right?
Yeah, that is also happening. Completely new project is also happening. Bullet
Yes.
train project is also we are working on.
Because government that track government has been damaged that track, right, through pen paper, and right now this project is restructuring to old means railway track and you make them new, right?
No. We take on that old projects also. We work on the track side, they become electrical engineer. They will work on the overhead electrification line.
Right, right.
So we can work, we can do all the work from new work also we are doing, modification work also we can do.
Okay, I got your point because all engineer are working in there, right? Civil engineer means measurement. They are doing measurement and which track will be go through which land or which site, right? And they
They will work on that. They will talk to the landowner. They will do everything.
right, right. And if any means village going through village beside the track, they convict them and they go through proper way and because they that land will be go to railway, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we have to face a lot of challenges and to make them understand that we are working there, like complaints and campaigns,
Right.
like any kind of
Right.
experience we used to have.
Because your work always means means connected with the government department or central government department and public, right?
Always, always.
If you get any kind of unexpected situation while doing your work, that's when you connect with the government department, you issue your letter and you know about that place which place you are means capture acquiring. After that you go through a proper way through documentation, right? And that kind of grievance always come, right? Because you are doing in a that means people they they what can I tell you, they means give you that land, their land, right? They provide their land for government. That kind of I got your point. What's your qualification?
I'm reading electrical.
Okay, what means how did you get that job? Did you get that job in it campus selection or did you appear in an interview in L&T?
Yeah, I got the job from a campus placement outside of my college.
Okay,
It was a full placement.
okay. Then do you like that profession or do you wanna change your profession in future?
My friends are also working in different sectors, so I sometimes think that computer science should have been my choice because they are providing work from home opportunity and also the packages is more and learning is more. So
Mhm.
sometimes I regret to not join computer science like to TCAs, CTAs, IT jobs.
Mhm.
But that is in the past. But now I want. I cannot go now. So now I think that if I want to change my career, I will do some business. So I have one business in my mind. So I want to do international trade.
Okay, what kind of business do you wanna set up? What type of business? Hmm?
I'm looking for opportunity in international trade because one of my cousin is the manufacturer of leather bags.
Wow.
So he is asking me to join him as a salesperson so that we can sell the product in other states and as well as in other countries because Italy, Germany, they have a lot of demand for leather products.
Of course, definitely, definitely, and advance all the best because your mind is a intellectual mind and you want to generate second income source, right? Right now you are doing that job also, but you want to be an entrepreneur in future and you want to second income source, right? Without second income source, no one can be live happy life, right? Then it is a good thing. Definitely you can do it, and that business is a ongoing. That business is a good business, right? But